Today, I'm going to be showing you the exact AI that makes us anywhere from 40K a year to 100K a year on every single client that we implemented into. And because of the pain points that you're going to be solving, the value that you're going to be creating, and the offer that you're going to be selling, you're going to have an 80% close rate on this exact AI solution. And just so you can see that I'm not bullshitting anyone, we've had this customer since August 2nd, 2024, and we've made $93,863 within this year. And just to explain what this AI does, it's an AI that is set up explicitly for sales. It engages with new leads coming in. It engages with old leads by following up and reactivating them every 30 days. And the only objective that the AI has is start a conversation with every lead, follow up consistently, make sure that all questions and objections are handled perfectly, and then book people in with the sales team. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create this AI, and then finish off by showing you exactly how to get clients and sell this solution to anyone. And the client that I just showed you that we made 100K with this year was a solar client. However, this works perfectly with every single service-based company, especially with high ticket such as roofing, kitchens, bathrooms, etc. So for this example, we're going to be creating an AI for Canada Standard Roofing that can increase their sales, save a ton of time, and get a lot more bookings. So I first head over to their website to make sure they have a good website with a lot of information on it. I then head over to Build My Agent and I create a new build. And then the Sales AI template is created exactly for scenarios like these. Make sure that the AI understands that it's the roofing industry, and then we pick English. I just picked my default API key, but if I was setting this up for a new client, I would generate them a separate API key to track their exact usage so that I can see exactly how much this project is costing me, and maybe even put the cost on the client. And I go on next. And I always just get a simple AI. I don't really spend any time on the description, the conversation flow, or the rules, because these are good to start with. The real improvements are going to be made in the improve section that I'm going to be showing you just in a second. But first, we will go back to the website, copy the URL, head back to Build My Agent, and import their website. This will save us a ton of time in terms of creating FAQs. And then once we've made sure that everything is correct, we generate the prompt with the AI. So now we have the main agent, and before adding anything, I just want to understand how the AI interacts. So we start out by saying hello. Hey there, what roofing issues are you currently facing? We are building this AI for text message campaigns, so we have to have a very clear conversation flow. So I don't actually really like the fact that it says, hey there. I don't like the fact that it uses emojis, and I want it to have a very clear conversation flow. So we change this by heading into the AI prompter. And the first thing I want to fix is that the AI should never introduce itself by saying, hey there, or hello, or anything like that, because we do that already in the first message that we send. So we give the AI prompter this exact instruction, and then the AI is going to make the changes for me. And the way that we fix the introductions is by adding these examples. So we told the AI to never introduce itself or use phrases like hey there or hello at the start of the conversation. That way we can jump straight into the conversation with the leads. I know if you're sending text messages in some countries like Australia, emojis get really expensive. So I just want to make sure that we remove emojis. So now we instruct the AI in never sending emojis or ever using them in any context. Perfect. So now we've removed emojis too, saving your agency some margins. A really common question that I want to make sure the AI can also handle is the who is this, because we will get this on text message so many times. So let's see how it handles it. Perfect. So as we can see, the AI does not know who it is, and it just answers the question. So we want to make sure that the AI understands that he is from Canada Standard Roofing. And the way that we fix this is by giving the AI an instruction. So we give it this instruction to handle the who is this, then tell them that they inquired about the roof on their website, and then it proceeds with the question flow. So now we can see that it adds it straight to the prompt. We accept the changes, save them, and then we try again. And as you can see, the AI does exactly what we want it to. It introduces itself, it tells them why, and then it goes straight for the question flow. So now we can proceed to the next question. The AI acknowledges and goes straight to the next question, which is exactly what we wanted to do. So we proceed to the next question. And then again, this is exactly what we want the AI to do, which is continue to the next flow. And then we tell the AI that mornings would work better to see how it handles this and if it gives us a booking link. Okay, so right here, I want the AI to send a booking link because that way people can actually go in and schedule a call with the sales team, which will also make sure that we can sell our AIs for even more money. Okay, so in this case, I will use Albert's Calendly link to make sure that we can go in and schedule people in. So now we introduce the AI to another question flow. We tell them that depending on the answer, it should acknowledge and tell them that they can book a link on this Calendly link. We can accept this, but the AI kind of ruins the flow right here. So we just remove the new question and then we click on Save Changes. So what we want to do now is we want to test through the whole flow again. Click on Clear, say hello, my roof needs to be done, it's old. Nope, I haven't. Mornings would be better. Perfect, so we can see that now it goes in, it takes the response of mornings, and then we give them the Calendly link. And this works better because now we mention mornings and they think, okay, well, mornings work for us, and they made it work on our end with their Calendly link, so now I'll go in and I can book a meeting. So this is exactly what we want. And then the AI can stop here. You can also implement additional follow-ups after the booking link was sent, which will just make your AI better. The last thing that I want to make sure that we can do is that people can instantly book a call if they really want to. So if people say, yes, I am interested, I want to book now. The AI needs to give them the booking link straight away, and if it doesn't, we'll need to go in and add that. Exactly, so this was kind of what I was expecting. We don't have an AI to handle the fact that they want booking instantly. So this is something that we need to add to the FAQ. And the way that we do this is by adding the Calendly link to the FAQ so that the AI understands that every time somebody asks to book straight away, the AI will send them that link. So with this instruction, we add the link to the FAQ, they skip the conversation flow, and it gives them the link immediately. So now we go back and we test it to make sure that it's working. Hello, I am interested. I want to book a call. So what happened here is that the AI's conversation flow is so strong that it didn't go in and give the booking link, so we try and go around that by giving it a rule. Because what we did before is we added this to an FAQ, which is also perfectly fine because this is also a scenario that can happen, but if we add it to the question flow and the rules, then it will have a higher priority. Perfect. This is exactly what we want. So now we have an AI that sticks to the conversation flow, answers questions, are able to handle objections, and can book people in, which is exactly what we want. So for you to skip approximately 1 to 2 hours of work setting up an AI like this, I will actually be giving you this exact prompt for free down in the description inside of the free school community where we have all of our content that we give out for free. And now that you have the AI, how in the world are you going to make money with it? Great question. What you're going to do is you are going to go into the same community where you will be finding this exact prompt, and you'll be heading over to Classroom. Because what we just did is you skipped a whole day of building your first agent and you can go straight into outreach and selling like crazy. So what you need to do is you need to go into outreach, and you need to start here by picking the best niche for you, and all you have to do is take my prompt and then slightly alter it for your industry. Watch this video, understand how you pick a niche, then continue over to the introduction to outreach to understand exactly where to get your clients and take our exact scripts that we've seen work that got us to 50K a month. I hope you enjoyed seeing this being built, and I hope you know that there are multiple ways where you can improve the AI, you can improve the objection handling and improve the acknowledgements, and this is all something you'll be iterating on when you see your clients' customers respond to the AI, and you'll be understanding what you need to go in and change to get better results. But this is really all you need to make your first $500 within a week and to get to 5K a month as quickly as possible. If you want help with any of this, or if you have any questions, we actually have 2 communities. One where we have 82,000 members. There is a ton of extremely talented people with AI where you can get free help and people, they help out each other. This community is really sick. But we also have the 1% in AI, which is a small community where we will get back to every single school post. So this is more if you want more one-to-one help. We also give out unlimited free Go High Level accounts, which is already worth $297 a month, and you get this for only $97, which is the exact same as just a normal Go High Level subscription. And we have a guarantee where if you don't get your first client within 16 weeks, we will work with you for free until you do. So yeah, if you want more one-to-one help, you can consider this. If not, you should really just go for the 3-day challenge inside of the free community. This will take you from an AI noob to an expert in literally 3 days.